Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to bulk clone issues in Jira. So if you run into this problem, so in my case I cannot bulk clone issues right away because there is no built-in feature to do that in Jira. You'll have to install a little app for it. It is really simple. Just go to apps and then explore more apps. Then simply type here deep clone and select deep clone for Jira. Now select this one and add it to your Jira account. You will have this button here to add it, and now once you add it, click on deep clone right here in your apps and click on bulk clone. Here this window will open up and you can add your source project. So let's say it will be my mobile banking app project and the target project. It could be also same as original. So you can simply click on fetch issues, and now just simply load a preset if you want, or you just same as original, all of this one, copy. So these issues you want to clone, select the issues. So I will not select these ones, I want to copy only these three. And just choose a action, so you can immediately clone 3 issues and one subtask, or create and confirm 3 issues. So I will start a clone. And now this is cloning my issues. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.